What? There's a candy bar in the salad? So you guys have been asking about this apple Snickers salad. You've been asking me all over YouTube and Instagram, and I just want you to know I'm here for you, I'm listening. One search and you'll find it all over the internet, including on our site by one of our select bloggers, My Baking Addiction. Now, I've never had this salad before, I've never made it before, so I figured we could just do it together. We're gonna start by making our cheesecake pudding, and all it is a pack of the cheesecake pudding mix, cold milk, and then we're gonna fold in whipped topping, which is gonna make it light and fluffy. Next, we're gonna add our chopped Granny Smith apples, and then for a little bit of protein, or maybe not, chopped Snickers. I love Snickers bars. In fact, I love eating them when they're nice and frozen. They taste so good. Kind of gnaw on them as a snack. All right, so in go the Snickers. And that's it. This is how easy this salad really is. It sounds so delicious, and I think that's why so many people love this. Now I'm just gonna carefully put our salad into these cute little clear cups. Now when it comes to parties, I love making individual portions, and the fact that you can make this ahead of time, it's gonna save you a lot of time when you're getting ready for your friends to come over. Now I'm just gonna place these in the refrigerator for a couple hours, let them set up and get nice and cold. These look so beautiful, but I know just the finishing touch, a little drizzle of caramel sauce, and garnish with some extra pieces of Snickers. All right, moment of truth. I gotta try this already. Wow, this is the best salad I've ever had. And in fact, this kind of reminds me of my favorite apple from Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. They have an apple that's dipped in caramel, white chocolate, and graham cracker. This kind of makes me wonder how good it would be if I added different candy bars or even other fruits. All right, now I want to know if you guys are going to try making this. Let me know in the comment box below, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to POPSUGAR Food. I'm Brandi, and I'll see you next time. Bye.